Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer survey answers from Typeform into Slack. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer survey answers from Typeform into Slack, start by logging into your Typeform account. Locate the survey for which you want to transfer answers. Click on the Connect tab within the survey settings. Scroll down to find the integration section. Click on the Slack integration option. If it's not already connected, click the Connect button. You will be prompted to log into your Slack account. After logging in, authorize Typeform to access your Slack workspace. Select the channel where you want the survey answers to be sent. Customize the message format for the Slack notification. You can include the respondent's answers by using the fields provided. Once your message format is set, click Save. Next, scroll back up and click on Share to return to your survey overview. To test the integration, submit a response to your Typeform survey. Check the selected Slack channel to confirm that the response has been received. If the response appears in Slack, your integration is successful. You have now completed the setup to transfer survey answers from Typeform into Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.